Hello everyone. Welcome to couponswipes.com. Are you ready to enhance your skincare and hair care routine while saving money? You've come to the right place. At couponswipes.com, we are excited to help you find fantastic deals on your favorite wow skin and hair care products, all infused with the goodness of nature. Whether you're looking for a rejuvenating shampoo, a refreshing face wash, Wow has everything you need for the perfect self-care day. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to discover incredible deals on Wow products so you can treat yourself without overspending. Let's get started. Visit couponswipes.com, enter Wow in the search bar. Explore the available coupons and deals to find the best offers for your skincare and hair care needs. Copy the code and click Website to visit Wow's official store. Choose your must-have shampoo or skincare items, then apply the code at checkout to enjoy your discount. Check the description for a direct link to the Wow deals and start saving on your skincare and hair care essentials today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for new updates.